Good morning class, this is your science lecture, class 7. In this lecture we will read unit number 7, changes in matter. We will read page number 89 to page number 94. Plastic. Plastic is synthetic material which can easily be shaped. Plastic are usually tough and versatile. They are very good electrical insulators. They can be spun into fiber to make cloth, carpet, or molded to make objects like cups or chairs. Plastic are polymers. Polymers contain very large molecules that are made by adding together very small molecules called monomers. Some familiar polymers are polyethylene, polystyrene, polyvinyl chloride, PVC, nylon, perspex and terylene are most common name of some other important plastics. Polyethylene is made from monomer ethane. Long chain of about 50,000 ethane molecules are added together to form polyethylene. Nylon is plastic that can be made into thin fiber which can be woven into cloth. There is a table which shows different kind of plastic and their uses. Polyethylene is used in plastic bags, beakers, buckets, bowls, bottles and dustbin. Polystyrene is used to make cup, packaging material, ballpoint, pens, thermal insulation. PVC is used for car seat cover, raincoats, house pipe, electrical insulation. PTFE non-stick saucepan, ovens, floors, plumbing tape. Nylon is used for rope, brush, bristle, clothing. Terylene is used for seat belt, clothing, polyester. Melamine is used for making unbreakable plates, mugs, work surfaces. Phenolic resins are used to make electrical plugs, saucepan, handles. Perspex is used to make rulers, car windscreen, signboard, substitute for glass. Bakelite is used for make electrical fitting. Fossil fuels are petroleum, coal or natural gas. They are called fossil fuels because they have formed by remains of animal and plants that lived millions of years ago. Oil was made from microscopic plants and animals which lived in the sea. As they died, their body collected at the bottom of ocean. Here they were covered by mud and sand. Over thousands of years, the layer of mud and sand become very thick. High temperature and pressure change them into thick black liquid called crude oil. When crude oil is pumped out from the ground, it is black, smelly liquid. A small amount is used as a starting material to make other things like shampoo, plastic, thread, detergent and medical drugs. Most of petroleum pumped from oil well is refined and used for transport. Most of it burned for heat in factories and home for power stations. In power station, heat is used to turn water into steam to drive turbines. Natural gas is mainly methane. It is formed in same way as petroleum, but high temperature and pressure turn the compound into the gas. Crude oil is mixture of compound called hydrocarbon. Crude oil is refined by fractional distillation in refinery. It takes place in a tower called fractionating tower. The oil is heated up the compound with low boiling point boil off first. They rise to top of tower. Compound with higher boiling points are collected lower down. The different groups of compound are called fractions. क्रूड ऑयल को डिफरेंट पार्ट में कन्वर्ट करने के प्रोसेस को फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन कहते हैं। जो कंपाउंड जिनका बॉइलिंग पॉइंट कम होता है वो पहले बॉयल हो जाते हैं और कलेक्ट होते हैं टावर के टॉप साइड पे, जैसे कि गैसोलीन और नेफ्था वगैरह हैं। और कुछ कंपाउंड जिनके बॉइलिंग पॉइंट हाई होते हैं वो टावर के लोअर साइड पे कलेक्ट होते हैं, जैसे इसकी एग्जांपल है केरोसिन ऑयल, डीजल ऑयल। The different groups of compound are called fractions. Fats are organic compounds that are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. They are source of energy in food. Fats belong to a group of substances called lipids. They come in liquid and solid form. All the fats are combination of saturated and unsaturated fatty acids. Fats serve as a storage substance of body extra calories. It fills the fat cells and help insulate the body. Fat are also an important energy source. Making margarine, some of fats and plant oil can be turned into valuable foods such as margarine. The oil for making margarine comes from the seed of plants such as sunflower. The sunflower seed are crushed and squeezed to extract oil. The oil is refined by heating with sodium hydroxide. The impurities in oil react to form a sort of soap. The purified oil is separated and washed. Hydrogenation of unsaturated acid in the oil take place when oil is heated with hydrogen under pressure over a nickel as a catalyst. The fat is then heated and steam is blown over it to take away the unpleasant smell. Coloring, flavoring and salt may be added. Vitamins are also added to make it healthier to food. मार्जरीन बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले ऑयल लिया जाता है सनफ्लावर के सीड्स को क्रश किया जाता है और ऑयल को प्योरीफाई किया जाता है, फिर उसे रिफाइन किया जाता है सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के साथ हीट करके, उसमें से इम्प्योरिटीज निकल जाती हैं। फिर उस ऑयल को सेपरेट किया जाता है और हाइड्रोजनेशन का प्रोसेस होता है जिसमें ऑयल के साथ हाइड्रोजन को हीट किया जाता है अंडर प्रेशर और एक कैटालिस्ट निकल जो है वो स्पीड अप करता है रिएक्शन को। देन उस फैट को हीट किया जाता है और स्टीम उसके ऊपर से पास की जाती है, उसमें से अनप्लेजेंट स्मेल को रिमूव किया जाता है। कलरिंग और फ्लेवरिंग ऐड करके ये मार्जरीन की फॉर्मेशन का प्रोसेस जो है कंप्लीट हो जाता है। डिटर्जेंट एंड सोप्स। डिटर्जेंट्स आर केमिकल which when dissolved in water can remove dirt and grease from cloth, metal, ceramic and human skin. Soap is a detergent made from animal fat or plant oil. Student, there is an activity, remember and understand on page number 93. Do this activity on your book and learn it. Number one, these are fill in the blanks. Number one, a physical change is change which no new chemical substance is formed. It can be reversed easily. Number two, a chemical change is a permanent in which one or more chemical substances are formed and it is difficult to reverse. Number three, physical reaction can easily change back or reverse. Number four, plastic material can be changed into useful product. Number five, fertilizer are chemicals which are needed by plants for their proper growth. Number six, plastic is synthetic material made from polymer which can easily be shaped or molded. Number seven, crude oil and coal are called fossil fuel because they have been made by fossils of plant and animal which lived on earth for millions of years ago. Number 8, crude oil can be refined by a process called fractional distillation. Student, do reading page number 89 to 94. Do remember and understand present on page number 93. Thanks a lot.